Start by purchasing a high-quality duck from a reputable source, as the taste and texture of the duck will greatly affect the final dish. Hang the duck in a cool place for at least 24 hours to dry the skin and make it crispy. Score the skin of the duck in a crisscross pattern, being careful not to cut too deep into the meat. Rub the duck with a mixture of spices, such as 5-spice powder, salt, and sugar, to enhance the flavor of the skin. Place the duck in a steamer or in a roasting pan with a wire rack and steam it for 30 minutes to render out the fat and to soften the skin. After steaming, hang the duck again for another few hours to let it air dry. This will help make the skin crispy when roasting. Roast the duck in a preheated oven or over a fire until it is golden brown and the skin is crispy. Once the duck is cooked, let it rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing it into thin pieces. Serve the Peking duck with thin pancakes, scallions, and hoisin sauce. Serve the crispy duck skin with scallions, hoisin sauce, and pancakes or tortillas.